Using this parser table, I need to see if I can parse the string W equals to CDD. So here is my stack, initial stack, then my input buffer, and finally some remark or results. So my input buffer means the input string CDD will be appended at last by a dollar, and my stack will start with 0. These are the initial steps. So here from 0, since I had started the transition state with I is 0. Now the stack means 0 with C. I have to refer here 0 with respect to small c is S3, means shift 3. So the result is shift 3. That means 0 will be same as it is, 3 will come, means C will come, then 3 will come as it is, then the input string, and then C, 3. So we are shifting from input buffer to the stack. Now after shifting here I am left with DD and dollar. So with 3 or I3 and D, what is the relation? I3 with D is S4. So here it is S4, means 0 will be there, C will be there, 3 will be there, D will be there, and 4 will be there. After removing D here, D and dollar is left. Now 4 with D. 4 with respect to D is R3, means reduce 3. What does that mean? It means with R3 means whatever is there in the production 3, that is C derives D. The RHS length, here it is 1, multiply it by 2, means is equals to 2, means twice the length of the RHS has to be removed from here and replaced with the LHS. Means twice the length of RHS here means it's 2, means 2 letters need to be removed or popped off from the stack, and it needs to be replaced by the LHS, that is C. So this becomes C, or 0C, 3, then C. This is my stack content, capital C. And here I am left with D dollar, because D was not shifted from input to stack. So capital C with D. Now when we get capital C with D, this is not any state, this is a non-terminal. So if the top of the stack is a variable or non-terminal, then we need to see the top two elements of the stack and push the respective number. Means in the go to table we will see the connection between 3 and C. Between 3 and C, 6 is there. So I need to just add or push 6 into the stack. After that I need to see the connection between 6 and D. Between 6 and D is R2. It is R2, means production 2 is this. C derives CC, twice the length of RHS, that is 4. 2 into 2, 4. 4 letters or 4 elements need to be removed from the stack, and the LHS will be pushed. So this will become C, that is 0, capital C. D was not shifted here, so D is left as it is, then dollar. Again capital C, that is the top of the element, is a variable. So what I need to do is, I need to see the connection between the top two elements. So 0 and C. 0 and C, it's 2. So I will push 2. Then uh, 2 with D. What is the relation with 2 with D? It is S4. S4. So 0, C, 2, D and 4. Then dollar. 4 with dollar is R3. R3 means twice the length of the RHS of production 3, that is 2 length, is to be removed or popped up and replaced with LHS, that is C. So it becomes 0, C, 2, C and dollar. C is a variable, therefore I need to refer top two elements 2 and C. 2 and C relation is 5. I need to push relation 5 and then see the relationship between 5 and dollar. 5 and dollar, it's R1. R1. So I need to reduce, means one production is having two elements at RHS. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 elements need to be popped up and S or the LHS needs to be pushed. So it's 0S dollar. S is a capital letter, so I need to refer two elements, top two elements, and I get 1. From I0 and S, I get 1. So I will push 1, and for $1, for $1 I get accept, means the string is accepted, that is this string belongs to this grammar or can be derived from this grammar. Thank you.